So we will continue the chemical properties of alcohols. We have seen the laboratory test to identify the alcohols, and now we will see the reactions due to breaking of R, O and H bond. So here we are saying that whatever the structure of alcohol is there, out of that the breaking of oxygen hydroxyl group is going to take place. So to one side alkoxy group has been formed, and to another side the hydrogen it will be detached. So these are the reactions where the breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond is taking place. In this particular case, we are going to see the conversion of the alcohol into ester, which is also called as esterification reaction. So the conversion of an alcohol into ester can be obtained by the number of ways, where the first one, that is a reaction with carboxylic acid. The second one, a reaction with acid anhydride, and the third one is called as a reaction with acid chloride. So we will see all these reactions one by one. Here we have said that when we are considering the reactions of an alcohol to form the ester, it is known as esterification reaction. So esterification, it is nothing but conversion of a carboxylic acid and alcohol into ester. The esterification is possible by three different ways, where the first reaction has been given here, reaction with carboxylic acid. Here we have taken the example of an alcohol ROH, and it is having reaction with an acid R-COOH. So ROH plus R-COOH. This is a reversible reaction where the both forward as well as backward direction arrow has been shown, and formation of an ester takes place with the formula RC double bond O R dash. So esters are the derivatives of acid, where the H plus of acid is replaced by R, and in this particular case we are saying that the formation of the ester is taking place. For this purpose we will take a simple example. Here we will take the example of an alcohol as ethyl alcohol. So I will draw the formula for ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. It is having reaction with the acid, that is acetic acid. Suppose we are taking the acetic acid or ethanoic acid as an acid, CH3COOH. Okay. Now, in this particular reaction, what happens? This H plus is substituted by the C2H5 group. So the product which we have obtained, it is CH3 C double bond O. As you know, the board is very small. I am not able to write down, but still I am trying. You can write it down in your notebooks also. So CH3COOC2H5, this is the product. Okay, and we get H and here OH, water, as the byproduct of the reaction. So this is considered as the esterification reaction. In this esterification reaction, whatever the ester has been formed, it again get converted into carboxylic acid. So this is a रिव्हर्सिबल रिॲक्शन. ह्या रिॲक्शनच्या बाबतीमध्ये जो इस्टर तयार झालेला असतो त्याचं हायड्रोलिसिस झालं, म्हणजेच त्याची वॉटरसोबत रिॲक्शन झाली की तो लगेचच कशात कन्व्हर्ट होतो, कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड आणि अल्कोहोलमध्ये कन्व्हर्ट होतो, आणि म्हणून ही रिॲक्शन आपण रिव्हर्सिबल आहे असं म्हटलेलं आहे. मग हे कन्व्हर्जन झालं ज्यात आपण म्हटलेलं आहे की कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड आणि अल्कोहोलची रिॲक्शन होऊन आपल्याला इस्टरचं फॉर्मेशन झालेलं दिसून येतं. द सेकंड रिॲक्शन इज अ रिॲक्शन ऑफ एन अल्कोहोल विथ ॲसिड अनहायड्राइड. सो व्हॉट इज दिस ॲसिड अनहायड्राइड? इट इज हॅव्हिंग द फॉर्म्युला RCOOCOR. सो दिस इज ॲसिड अनहायड्राइड. मग आता हा ॲसिड अनहायड्राइड आणि ॲसिड अनहायड्राइडचा फॉर्म्युला मी तुम्हाला दाखवते. हा ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड जो आहे त्याचा फॉर्म्युला असतो आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ. हा ग्रुप 2 वेळा रिपीट झालाय, तो मी वर एकदा आणि खाली एकदा इथे दोनदा काढते आणि हे दोन ग्रुप रिपीट झालेले थ्रू ऑक्सिजन एकमेकांना जॉईन झाले. सो द फॉर्म्युला इज गिवन आर डॅश सी ओ whole twice O. So this is about the acid anhydride. This acid anhydride on reaction with an alcohol gives the ester and we get one molecule of the alcohol. So here it has been written, both the places it has been written about the acid, but one it should be acid and another it should be the ester. एक पाहिजे acid आणि दुसरा पाहिजे ester. चुकून हा फॉर्म्युला रॉंग झालेला आहे, तो आपण करेक्ट करूया. RCOOH प्लस RCOOR डॅश. सो फॉर दिस पर्पज वी विल टेक द एक्झाम्पल. ओके, आता आपण त्याचं एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. अल्कोहोलचं एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊया, सपोज मिथाइल अल्कोहोल CH3OH. Okay, plus now the acid anhydride we will take here. Suppose we are taking the acid anhydride CH3CO O C double bond O CH3. Then this is acetic anhydride. In this case what will happen, आता ह्या केसमध्ये काय होणार आहे, तर एक मॉलिक्यूल आपला होणार आहे CH3COO CH3 ester CH3COO CH3. So what will be the name of this ester? Can you tell me? CH3COO CH3. This is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. And now what is remaining from this alcohol? OH group. This OH it combines with this remaining part of the anhydride CH3CO. So we will get CH3COOH, and this CH3COOH it is called as acid. What is the name of the acid? Acetic acid. So here we are saying that one molecule of acid and one molecule of ester will be forming this particular reaction. You do the correction here. Instead of both the writing formula for acids, one is acid and another is ester, acid anhydride. But this formation of acid anhydride it is again a reversible reaction. ही सुद्धा reversible reaction आहे. म्हणून बऱ्याच वेळा जेव्हा तुम्हाला एखाद्या अल्कोहोल पासून ईस्टर ऑब्टेन करायचा असेल तेव्हा रिएक्शन कॅरी करतात ऍसिड क्लोराइड सोबत आणि रिएजंट असतो पिरिडीन. सो दिस इज द थर्ड way to convert an alcohol into ester, where we have said that the general reaction has been given ROH plus R dash COCl. So this COCl, RCOCl, this is acid chloride. On the reaction with acid chloride, again we will get the ester RCOOR, and in this reaction HCl is the byproduct of the reaction. ह्या reaction मध्ये हा OR हा पार्ट जॉईन होतो आणि इस्टरचं फॉर्मेशन होतं H आणि Cl असं म्हणून HCl हा बायप्रोडक्ट तयार करतात. पिरिडीन neutralizes the acid HCl which has been formed in the reaction. ह्या रिएक्शन मध्ये जो HCl तयार झालेला आहे त्याला न्यूट्रलाइज करण्याचं काम हा पिरिडीन करतो आणि बॅकवर्ड रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन हा अवॉइड करतो, आणि म्हणून मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऍसिड क्लोराइड आणि अल्कोहोलची रिएक्शन करून ईस्टर फॉर्मेशन केलं जातं. मग ह्या झाल्या आपल्या 3 रिएक्शन. ह्यात इथे करेक्शनचा पार्ट लक्षात ठेवायचा, एक मॉलिक्यूल ऍसिडचा आणि एक मॉलिक्यूल दाखवायचा आहे ईस्टरचा. मग हा लक्षात आलाय पार्ट. रिएक्शन्स ड्यू टू ब्रेकिंग ऑफ ऑक्सिजन हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड where it is called as esterification reaction. Acid and alcohol they give the ester by 3 different reagents. One is simply carboxylic acid, another is acid anhydride, and the third one is acid chloride. So this was the second type of the reaction. Now we will discuss the third type of the reactions, that is reactions due to breaking of carbon hydroxyl bond. Carbon hydroxyl bond. In this case, we have said that we have to see four different type of the reaction. आता जेव्हा हा पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट रिॲक्शनचा आपला येतोय तेव्हा आपण म्हणतोय की इथे जो अल्कोहोल आहे त्या अल्कोहोल मधला आर म्हणजेच अल्काइल ग्रुप एका बाजूला राहतो आणि ओ एच म्हणजेच हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप दुसऱ्या बाजूला राहतो आणि ह्या रिॲक्शन होतात. त्या 4 रिॲक्शन आपल्याला एकूण बघायच्या आहेत. पहिली रिॲक्शन आहे रिॲक्शन विथ हायड्रोजन हॅलाइड. द सेकंड रिॲक्शन इज विथ फॉस्फरस हॅलाइड्स PX3 आणि PX5 हे दोन एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊ शकतो. तिसऱ्या टाईपची रिॲक्शन जी आहे त्या तिसऱ्या टाईपच्या रिॲक्शनला आपण म्हटलेलं आहे रिॲक्शन ऑफ ॲन अल्कोहोल where alcohol is converted into alkene and we may consider it as a dehydration of alcohol. मग इथे डिहायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल ही तिसरी रिॲक्शन आपल्याला बघायची आहे आणि चौथी रिॲक्शन आहे ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ alcohol. So oxidation means an alcohol is converted into an aldehyde or a ketone, that is called as oxidation of alcohol. So we have to see all these four different type of the reaction with HX, with PX3 and PX5, then the reactions with concentrated sulfuric acid, and the fourth one, that is oxidation by use of different type of the oxidizing agent. Okay, so first we will see the reaction with halo acid. The halo acids, they are considered to have the general formula HX. Halo acids चा general formula है HX. In this case, when those alcohols are treated with halo acid HX, in this reaction we are saying that the carbon hydroxyl bond is going to break, and instead of hydroxyl group there is substitution of the X, that is halogen, and formation of RX, that is alkyl halide, takes place. RX plus what is the byproduct? H2O is the byproduct. Already we have discussed this reaction in the halogen derivatives. We have said that whatever the type of the alcohol we are going to take, we will get the corresponding alkyl halide. We have seen all the different examples of the primary, secondary as well as tertiary alcohols, where we have said that the order of reactivity of an alcohol, it is considered to be most reactive, they are third degree alcohols, then second degree alcohols, and the least reactive, they are first degree alcohols. मग ही रिॲक्शन आपण ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केलेली आहे, ज्यात आपण म्हटलेलं आहे की टर्शरी अल्कोहोल हे सगळ्यात जास्त रिॲक्टिव्ह असतात आणि प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल हे सगळ्यात कमी रिॲक्टिव्ह असतात. जर हॅलो ॲसिडच्या बाबतीमध्ये त्यांची रिॲक्टिव्हिटीची ऑर्डर आपण डिस्कस करायची ठरवली तर सगळ्यात जास्त रिॲक्टिव्ह असतो हायड्रो आयोडिक ॲसिड, त्यानंतर असतो हायड्रोब्रोमिक ॲसिड आणि सगळ्यात कमी रिॲक्टिव्ह असतो हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिड. सो दिस वॉज अबाउट दी हॅलो ॲसिड्स, where we are saying that an alcohol is converted into alkyl halide. Now we will see the second reagents, second type of the reagents, which are called as the phosphorus halides. The use of phosphorus halides, that is PX3 or PX5, again converts an alcohol into alkyl halide. अल्कोहोलचं कन्वर्जन इथेही कशात होणार आहे? अल्काइल हॅलाइड मध्ये. Alcohol on reaction with PX3, that is phosphorus trihalide, gives 3 molecules of alkyl halide and we are getting H3PO3, or we may write it as POH thrice phosphoric acid. Okay, POH thrice. So simple example here it has been taken. If we are taking methyl alcohol, then this methyl alcohol on reaction with phosphorus trichloride gives methyl chloride and H3PO3 as the byproduct of the reaction. So this is the use of phosphorus trihalide. Now instead of PCl3 we may take PBr3 or PI3. For that purpose only we are saying that phosphorus trichloride PCl3, it is a stable compound. But like that, PBr3 is not the stable compound. So on arrow we will write P plus Br2. Suppose we have to carry out the reaction with phosphorus tribromide, then we will write it, as P plus Br2, and this P plus Br2, it will produce again PBr3, phosphorus tribromide. We will get in this particular case RBr, alkyl bromide, as the product. If we are taking the mixture of phosphorus and iodine, we will get Pi3, and in that case we will get the alkyl iodide. अल्काइल क्लोराइड, अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड आणि अल्काइल आयोडाइड असे तीनही टाईपचे हॅलाइड्स हे आपल्याला तयार करता येतील. पुढची रिएक्शन आहे ती आहे PX5 सोबतची, फॉस्फरस पेंटाहॅलाइड्स आपण त्यांना म्हणतो. आता जसं आपण कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे फॉस्फरस ट्रायहॅलाइडचे ते 3 टाईप बघितले, फॉस्फरस ट्रायक्लोराइड, फॉस्फरस ट्रायब्रोमाइड अँड फॉस्फरस ट्रायआयोडाइड. पण फॉस्फरस पेंटाक्लोराइड हा एकमेव कंपाऊंड आहे जो एक्झिस्ट होतो. फॉस्फरस पेंटाब्रोमाइड किंवा फॉस्फरस पेंटाआयोडाइड हे एक्झिस्ट होत नाहीत. म्हणजे इथे फक्त रिॲक्शन एकाच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सोबत बघायचे आहे, तो म्हणजे फॉस्फरस पेंटाक्लोराइड. सिंपल एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतलेलं आहे किंवा जनरल रिॲक्शन आपल्याला लिहायची असेल तर ती आपण लिहू शकतो ROH प्लस we can write down the reaction PCl5. Board is very small, I am not able to write it down. ROH plus PCl5 will give us RCl plus we will get HCl plus we will get POCl3 for phosphoryl chloride, that is byproduct. Okay, now here the example has been taken. Methyl alcohol plus phosphorus pentachloride gives methyl chloride plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, plus POCl3. So these were the two reactions, reaction with halo acid and reaction with phosphorus tri and pentahalide. In all these cases we have said that an alcohol is converted into alkyl halide. So alcohol ROH is converted into RX. So formation of RX, that is already discussed. So we will stop here.